What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So, guys, we have just an amazing day today. It was something for the ages, guys. Amazing short that we took together in the Discord, and just a day of a lot of volatility. And I'm super excited to bring you this recap. And we're gonna go ahead and do the market analysis as well as the lifetime giveaway will be announced today. Okay. So if you can hear me loud and clear, hit me with a 1 and let's get right into it. All right. So let me just go ahead here and set this up. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. With the 1, like I said, I'm a little bit early today. So we're going to take our time. Okay. And we're going to start off here with SPY with the 5-minute chart. Okay. And this wick here, right here, my friends, this wick was my short today. That wick, shorted that wick today, guys. And look at this absolute beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rollover. Okay. And that was using the 618. So what I want to do today to start the story is we're going to talk about the day trade. We're going to talk about strictly a day trading perspective. And then I'm going to talk to you about the hourly chart and the trades that I were in. Because remember, I was long last night. So I'm going to walk you through that. And then I'm going to talk to you just about managing trades to the best that you can to make the most possible gains. All right. So let's start off here. Okay. So this is Wednesday. First 3 bars. All right. Of the day. That is a nice little rule for you to have. When you're trading, if you're a new trader, you want to give it 2 or 3 bars, okay? Preferably 3 bars on the 5-minute. Let the market show its hand. What exactly are we trying to do here, okay? Are we going to the upside? Or are we going to the downside? And we can clearly see in these 3 candles, we have gone from a high of 458.83 to a low of 457.82. All right, so is that bearish or is that bullish? Hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 for bullish. What do you think, guys? So what direction is this on the day? What direction is this? Okay. And obviously we can see, guys, this is a bearish move. Okay. So what we're going to do from this point is we're going to look for a short to follow the initial direction of the morning. When we're day trading, when I day trade, that's what I'm trying to do is figure out off the open who's ready to rock and roll. And then from that point, I'm following that direction because I'm trying to catch a trend. And you're going to see today, guys, that the trend was so strong. All right, so here we go. Boom, boom. Okay, so what you're going to do here, take your Fibonacci tool. You go from high to low like this. Watch your 618. Okay, so in this case, we did not pull back. So you just move your anchor down like this. And you're just waiting for that 61.8% pullback. And here it is, my friends. Okay. So I'm going to hop into the Discord and I'll walk you through this. So we have a bot in the Discord that we've programmed to help us with the setups, to call them out step by step. So you can see at 10:08, we posted the same chart that I'm going through with you guys. We posted in real time. And we ended up getting short at 10:15. Okay. So I'm going to answer a very common question here. So when you're shorting, what can you use? Can you use puts? Can you use shares? Can you use futures? What can you use? Okay. Comment in the chat. Let me know what you think. So short, what the word short means is I want the market to go down. That's all it means. Okay. And there are many tools to short. And what you guys will see is I used future contracts. Okay, so let me go right here. 1,439. So let me pull this. So this is my executed broker statements. So the short that I covered here, guys, was $1,590 in profit. Okay, so let's just move this over here so we can see this. So I'm going to explain this because a lot of people get confused. Okay, so I shorted 2 contracts at 10:12-ish. Okay. And from there, you could see later on in the day, so this is Pacific time, I ended up buying those contracts right around 12. I bought them back, 2 contracts, realizing $1,590. Okay. So let's go back here now and let's continue. So now that we're in the short, do we need a stop loss and a target? Hit me with the 5 if yes, hit me with the 6 if no. What do you guys think? What do? You tell me what you do. Okay. So I always have a stop loss and I always have a target when I take these day trades. And any trade that I take will always have a stop loss. Okay, always. So my maximum stop loss on this short is going to be the high of the day, which is right here. That's all that I'm willing to risk, the high of the day. And from here, what I'm looking to achieve, if I double click on this, I can put on my full extensions, and I'm literally trying to hit every single one of these lines. Okay. The final line is the 100% extension. The 100% extension, if I hit that, it's basically a massive, massive winner. Okay, so we'll extend these to the right. So I shorted here. My stop loss is here. I want to hit all of these lines. Okay. And then from here, you can see right here, guys, at 10:22, so within 7 minutes, we hit the first target. And then within a minute after that, so 10:23, we hit a home run. So I'm just talking from a day trading perspective. So watch this candle here, guys. Bang. You guys see that hit me with an 11. When it comes to options trading, there's not going to be something better than that, in my opinion. Taking a short, okay, we're not shorting here near the low. I'm waiting all the way for that 61.8. I have an order waiting, shorting on the level. And then right after that, within 5 minutes, that big drop, guys, that is the most powerful way to play options. And I love to play it that way. In this particular trade, I took futures though, because I already had option contracts open. So I didn't want to add more contracts. So I shorted 2 future contracts. Okay. So now let's talk about futures. So I'm going to go in here. Okay. So let's go to MES. So all of these tools are all the S&P 500. Okay. So let's go here. Here is the 9:30 candle. So futures is open all night. So that's the difference that you'll see. Okay. So here is the 9:30 candle. Here's our high. Here's our low. Here's our short, 618. So I use that, 45.92. And then from here, guys, let's fast forward. Bang. All targets absolutely crushed. Okay. So me personally, guys, I did not sell at the exact low. You never will. I sold right around the 50% extension, which was right around here. So you could see right there. On this pullback right here around 12 o'clock, I got out. So you can see right here, 8:58 Pacific. Okay. So I got out right there. I wanted more. Trust me, I wanted this move here. But when we started to pull back here, I said, you know what? I don't want to be greedy. I'm going to lock in the profits. Hit me with the 15 if you're following me. Okay. So I locked it in there, $1,590 on a day trade. Okay. So that's really nice. So this, my friends, is why we day trade. We day trade in order to catch a move like this. This is what you day trade for. Okay? This is what you day trade for. If you can catch these once a month, twice a month, you have a very high chance of finishing profitable for the month. You just have to choose when to take your shots. Okay? In this case, we had a clear direction to the downside. It was Wednesday. We got the 618. We had a good risk reward setup, and we took it without hesitation. And we were rewarded for it. All right. But now what I'm going to show you is a completely different picture here. Okay. And you're going to say, what? Okay. You're going to say, what? Okay. So if we go back here, what you'll notice here is I also sold 10 micro contracts for a profit of $150. So what is that? Well, if you guys were following me yesterday, you guys know that I took a swing trade. So I entered long. So we'll go back to the 5-minute here, and I'll show you where I entered long. So this was Tuesday. Here was 9:30. Oops. So this was yesterday's price action. Ended up going long on this 618 right here. Okay. And you can see this is what happened overnight. We started to trend to the upside. This was around 9:20, and then this was the Wednesday price action. Okay. So on the hourly chart, what I did, and this is what makes trading beautiful, is because not only, my friends, was I able to make money on the short side, but I also made a few bucks on the long side. So I just took this was my break-even stop loss, and I moved it to right here. So right below the wick of this candle. So my short is actually in here, and I'm taking that short down, covering that for $1,570. And my long, simultaneously, I got out of that, and I still made 150 on the long. Okay. So net, close to $2,000. So it's such an amazing thing that on the hourly chart, look at this, guys. Oops. So on the hourly chart, we have these Fibonacci legs. Look at this. Low to high, 618, 786. And then we flip it, high to low. This was the 786 rejection from the overnight. So today, I really felt like there was just endless possibilities, and it's extremely motivating to see that, okay? And being able, in the morning, I was on a roll. I hit the long and the short, made money on both, and I took one more trade later in the day where I went from this swing low to high. I got long on the 618 right here, okay? And as soon as we popped up, I moved my stop loss below the low of this candle, and I got taken out. So for me, even though I lost on this last trade, I feel like today I was trading in sync with the market. I took all the opportunities, and I had one loser and two winners, and I'm happy with that. Okay. So you can see right here, this was me calling out that 618 that I just showed you, went long there. I said, I'm filled. I'm moving my stop up below the hourly low, and then we got trailed out for a small loss. Okay. So about $500 or $600. Okay. So there's a different story being told on all the time frames. And hit me with the 17th. That's amazing. And that's what's so motivating about this is there's endless opportunities. Whichever time frame you're looking on, you can have a trade. And you can be long in one time frame and short on another time frame. It doesn't matter. When you get to the point where, like today, I really felt that I was hitting it hard because I shorted right here at 10:15 on this candle, but I was still long on the hourly chart. So then I'm saying, okay, one of them is going to win. No matter what, one of them has to win. And that is one of the best feelings. On both of the trades, I knew I was going to make money no matter what. Okay. Because I took the initial risk and then I moved my stop loss to a point where I'm going to make some money no matter what. Okay. Hit me with 25 if that makes sense. That is the most important thing. Nowadays, trade management, it's everything. Trade management is everything. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time, and because sometimes I go too fast, I'm gonna go back to the day trade, and I'll show you that one more time, and then I'm gonna show you the hourly chart one more time, and then we're gonna talk about it slowly, and then we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna do the lifetime giveaway. What else do I have to do? And we're gonna look at the market outlook, okay, which is very important. I can't forget that. Okay, so let's start again. All right. So from a day trade perspective here, guys, I went short at around 10 o'clock. Why? So first 3 candles of the day, clearly bearish candles. All I'm looking for, guys, is the 618% pullback of this move. And I am not ever going to short at the low, because if I short at the low, I have a wide risk, and I also will overpay on premiums. I don't want to do that. Okay. So from here, so you can see, guys, we start to push, and then we had this new low. And then from here, we have our anchor, high to low like this. Okay. And then we pull back up, tagged our 618. So right there is our short. And I'm going to hop into the Discord, walk you through that live commentary one more time. So you can see here, 10:15 filled short, 618. And then literally, guys, within 5 minutes, we had an explosive target. Now watch this one more time. Bang. Okay. That's, if you're scalping, if you're going quickly in and out of options, that's all you need right there. And then we had a big home run trend day right after that. And I was able to lock in $1,590 on that short, while simultaneously I was long on the hourly chart from yesterday, and I still locked in 100, even though the market crashed today. Why? Because we went long right over here yesterday, and we trailed our stop loss. So when we're coming down on the 5-minute, we get trailed out on the swing trade. Swing trade still makes money. And that's how we walk away with 2 green trades. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if that all makes sense. And I really want to teach you guys about futures, because if you're not good with options trading, if you're not good with timing, okay, then you need to be able to use something that doesn't have decay. Okay, so it's 1 point is $50, 1 point is $5. Okay. All right. All right. So now this is the crazy part. If we look at SPY on the daily chart here, we've produced a nasty Nirvana pattern. So we had an inside bar yesterday. We gapped up and we sold off straight down today. So this bar, you can see the last time we had an outside bar, we had a full reversal to the upside and a squeeze for the bulls. So this bar is a tough bar to get through because it's a big trap bar. We just sold off all day. So for the bulls to reclaim this high around 458.50s, that will be extremely bullish if they could reclaim that high. So you can use this as a swing trade as well. You can use this one bar as a swing. So if we break the low, go short. If we break the high, go long. And you get about 2 or 3 weeks out for the expiry. Okay, so that's the market outlook. I think tomorrow and Friday are going to be important days. Okay, because once the short trap is down, like today they put the trap down, anything goes, because we have an open gap still left to fill on this chart. Don't think that gap can't fill. If the bears come to play, the bulls have been enjoying a great year. So for them to give back, 10% or whatever it is, it's not going to kill them. Okay. So there's an open gap. Until this high is broken, the bears will try to fill that gap. And for the rest of the week, our goal, so what I'm doing now is I'm switching to short setups. Okay. So I want to see a pullback in here and then a rollover. Okay. That's what I'll be looking for from a swing trade. I want to see a pullback and then a rollover. And I'm going to be shorting the pullback. Okay. Hit me with the 12 if that makes sense. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay. All right, guys. So the lifetime giveaway winner is Johnny Bonnie, ETH. I just read this post today and it really melted my heart. And I just had to give him the lifetime giveaway, guys. So he took the puts, the 457 puts in the Discord from 28 cents to $2 plus. That was even better than me. So I just want to shout this guy out, johnnybonnie.eth. Thank you for being in the Discord and supporting on the Twitter and leaving comments. And don't worry, guys, if you didn't get this chance, there's going to be another one coming up. Lifetime giving. Every time I bank, somebody gets lifetime. So please just be positive and spread the positive energy. Let's congratulate Johnny Bonnie. All right. Send some fire, send some TW Army Spies VIP, some hearts, whatever you can. Drop it in the chat. So Johnny Bonnie, reach out to me, brother, and I'll hook you up lifetime. Okay. But this was great. I mean, that was even better than me. So I had to give the congratulations to that trade. Okay. So 28 cents to $2. Man, that is big gains. All right. All right, guys. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com. I'm going to wrap it up here. So I am doing a special holiday sale. You don't want to miss out on the sale, guys, because next year things are going to be changing. Right now, I'm trying to get people in, and I want to secure a strong squad going into next year, okay? We're only focusing on Fibonacci, period, okay? Fibonacci, the end. So for the rest of this month, we're going to be doing a special deal, $100 for a lifetime to our Fib Society, which is all Fibonacci swings, Tesla, Microsoft, SPY, NQ, all lifetime. It's all in here. Okay, so that's only going to be for the rest of this month. $100 plus you get this brilliant book. This is my best book. If you guys have any of my other books, this one is the best. Why? Because I have the broker statements and I have video recordings. Doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so check that out if you want to learn about futures, about options. This is my masterpiece. So that's just for the swings. If you want to come and you want to hit the day trading hard every single day with me, I have a special bundle. This is everything I've ever done. 4 books. Okay, you can see all 4 books, plus one-on-one with me, plus 100 trade challenge, my indicators for life, Discord, seminars, everything. Okay, so you're going to get 1 full year. Normally it comes with 4 months. You're going to get 12 months for the $50 subscription, which is for the SPY day trading room. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, you're going to get that for the sweet deal of $799.99. All right, so that's what I got going for the holidays. I want to thank you very much for your attention and for your time and for your willingness to learn. And I'm happy with the trades today, and I want to continue the momentum for Thursday and Friday. So based on this one trade, this one short has paid for this week and also probably next week, unless I do something crazy. So that one short should be able to cover me for 2 weeks of gains. And that's the way that I love to trade. All right. So please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Do you like when I repeat some concepts, or do you want me to do more advanced? Let me know in the comment section below. And, comment fibs. Comment the fibs if you want to be in the lifetime giveaways. There's a lot going around, guys. I've given probably like 5 or 6 or even more lifetimes already. Okay. And that's a pretty sweet deal. Okay. I want to grow financially. I want to grow my health. I want to grow as a leader. I want to grow as someone that will be remembered in the Fibonacci game. All right. That's what I want to do with my life. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you tomorrow.